Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip tribe. Today, not very glamorous, but storing foliages, I get so many calls. What's the best way? Should I put them in water? Should I leave them in the box? What do I do? The very best way for long-term storage of foliages is a big plastic container, Rubbermaid, whatever kind you want. Then take your foliages out and place them in. Have it damp in there. Sometimes I'll put wet newspaper in the bottom. That way you get lots of humidity. Then all the foliage goes in. Place the lid. Set it in your cooler, and it truly will hold for weeks and weeks. Now you know an easy way to store. See you next week.